Obsessed with pancakes and peanut butter? Then keep on watching because this is the perfect recipe for you. We are partnering with Fatso Peanut Butter to bring you these amazingly nutritious pancake poppers. Every bite is an explosion of creamy, delicious peanut butter wrapped in a perfectly fluffy pancake. Plus, it's super healthy. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Let's get into it. Liked what you saw? Leave us a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up to let us know. And don't forget to become part of the Flourish fam by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching!